Hi everyone, Randy Fleming here with the NTCA. I'm a trainer with the NTCA. This episode of TileTV, we're going to be talking about what do we do when our homeowner, our contractor, the person we're working for selects two widely different color grouts and two widely different types of material. How do we make sure we're giving them the best finished product when we're done? Well, the best way we do it is with a mock-up or a sample board. And so that's what we're going to do today. We're going to try a couple different types of tiles. Here we got a really thick type of tile, like a terracotta. It's really thick, very porous, very absorbent. And on this one here, we've got a glass, a frosted glass or an opaque glass. And yet the homeowner here has picked two widely different colors, and each type, they don't know exactly if they want to go dark or light on the types of tile they have here. So we're going to make a couple sample boards and see how they work. With this type of grout we're using today, which is a single component grout, they a lot of times ask for us to damp wipe it first. So I've got a damp microfiber here. I can dampen the surface. What that does, that allows us to put a little bit of moisture in the surface so that it fills up all those micro pores with water in there, instead of being open and dry. And then when we put our grout on, it sucks in right away, immediately sets up on the face real fast. It doesn't help us. And also if there's any dust or debris left behind, we get it nice and clean. So our grout joints are nice and full, they're nice and smooth. I'm happy with those joints. That's a little bit dirty because of the tape being there, but that's what we're looking for. Let's try our next type of grout now. So there we go, nice and clean. So good for our second grout. Now we're going to change gears a little bit, and we're going to go over and do some glass tile. All right, there we go. So I think I've got some good samples here to give to the homeowner. But look at the wide variety, how much the change of the different types of grout, how it affects the overall look of the tile itself. So I'm going to submit this to our homeowner and see which grout colors they pick. Thanks, everyone.